दिसलो फ्रॉम आसोलना. काल एक दोन दीस पयले काल आनी पयर कोण एक युनिव्हर्सिटी कॅम्पसा वचोन जायते लोकांनी इल्लिगली म्हणनाका इन अ व्हेरी डिस्टर्ब मॅनर आख्या कॅम्पस डिस्फिगर केल्ले पोस्टर म्हण कांय सोडना. नोटीस बोर्ड, क्लासरूम, ऑफिस, आउटसायड, इनसायड सगळे आख्यान डिफेस करून उडयला. टिल देन आय थॉट ओके ते भुरगे आसतले, कोणायले विंग्स जावं भुरगे आसतले. आनी येदना जेदना हो आमगेलो सरकार हो चॅन्सलर वायस चॅन्सलर जावं ओगे रावले ओ एक्शन वॉज नॉट टेकन, मे बी प्रॉम्प्ट एक्शन. सो हांवें म्हणलें गोडे मे बी दे आर वेटिंग for a proper manner in which to take action maybe or to stop these acts. Zaunan. This gave wings for this type of people to take more their way of saying that courageous step give back. And they infiltrated. The next in line was St. Xavier's College. And tinga ani monobol tinga vadolo. And they went one more step ahead. हेमी आणि एक टाइप ऑफ एक टेररिस्ट ऍक्ट म्हळ्यार जाता. कित्याक आय बिलीव टेररिजम नीड नॉट बी ओनली विथ स्टेन गन्स अँड एटम बॉम्ब्स. थ्रेटनिंग पीपल बिलो द बेल्ट इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ टेररिजम. आणि हिंगा हांव कित्याक ते टेररिजम म्हणटा बिकॉज इट वॉज अ प्लॅन अ टाइप ऑफ गुंडाइजम. बिकॉज कॅम्पसान ओ ते कॉलेजींत फकत कॉलेजी भुरगे नासलेले, कॉलेजी भायलेय भुरगे आसलेले. आनी फकत ते स्टुडंट्स नासलेले, स्टुडंट्साक भायलेय भुरगे आसलेले व्हडले. आनी म्हणून आतां सगळे गोंयकारूच आसलेले. इट वॉज कटिंग अक्रॉस डिफरंट स्ट्रीम्स, डिफरंट एज ग्रुप्स, डिफरंट कॉलेजीस. हेमी येन थिंगा एक टाइप ऑफ एसोलो टेररिजम एक्ट केला that the students and the kid, what the students might have not gone through. Leave alone the management for a time being. Leave alone the principal, the headmasters. Burgyache kids all asrale when they saw this type of acts. Can we imagine ki chok zan hoita hai and they are holding a college and the students and the staff at ransom? And there is a silence. Silence even from the people. जे मनशांनी ते कॉलेजी उदो पिले, जे भुरगे ते मातयेचे हेळे. Maybe these are the people, some of them might have really passed out from the same colleges who might be belonging to this type of wings today. ते जावं कोणूय जावं, politically they might be associated with Congress, जावं BJP, they might be affiliated with Akhil Bharatiya Vidyalaya, whatever it is. But yes, भुरगे जे या कॉलेजीनी पास आउट जावन today you all may be holding good position in this some of these organizations. Why are you all gone silent? कित्याक तुम उलय नाही? आज या कॉलेजी शिकून जायते जाण they may be belonging to different wings. आज तुम्ही घडे जायते व्हडले व्हडले पोझिशनांचे आसतले. Why don't you all speak out on this act? The question is not the motive only. Question is also the way they are pushing their agendas. Pramod Bab being the Chief Minister of Goa, I think the first statement should have come from you. Secondly, a ruling na pade astai sogle. You may be belonging to any caste, color, creed, religion or any organization. Did you find this act was a type of a terrorist act? Then why didn't you all speak out? Why is no action being taken especially on the people who have come from outside the states, people who have come from outside that college, people who are not even the students of that college? आता एक फुरसार मार्क म्हणा. हांव तुका म्हणा one terrorist act should be justified with another terrorist act. But why don't you all put this type of activities, acts in place, in its bud? When you don't stop this act in the bud, this type of people, they get another 4 wings to fly. Please let us not allow this type of infiltrators to infiltrate the very temple of education. What thing is infiltration? Sports munaka, finance munaka, health munaka, what thing? And finally we have almost, I can say, has given a permission to this type of people to enter our temple of education. Where are we going? It's not going to stop only at that St. Xavier's College if we don't nip this in the bud. Tomorrow it's going to be Vidyalaya. It's not only the students of St. Xavier's College. Tomorrow it's going to be the students of us. And Pramod Bab, tu kai bhurgya ha? Ma kai bhurgya hai? What they will look at this type of acts? Teacher kesoli bhiratyat astali aj. Tangela manobol mota. Are activism hai kyala sir? We were also the part of so many agitations. Right from 79, 80, 81, 82 munaka. 50% bus concession munaka. Marx scandal munaka. आम्ही ऍक्ट केले, ब्रँड ऍक्ट केले, ब्रँड ऍक्टिव्हिजम केला. हे भाशेन मरे बाबा. यात कितें जालां आतां? हे उदो आमकां म्हादेय उदो म्हणाका आयज. हे म्हादेय उदो आमच्या म्हात्या वयल्यान गेलां. सो पयलीं they are systematically destroying the institutions. First they come for one, then they come for second, and then they come for all. What is wrong is wrong. And I request all the ex-students at least of the St. Xavier's College, whether they are Hindus, Muslims or Christians, whether they belong to ABVP or they belong to the Congress or whatever it is. Which party, cut across the party lines and Nishad Maharaj. Stop these children, guide these children who belong to this college. And act on those people who did not belong to this college and bring to books the people who are not even belonging to Goa here. Master Jawahatir, Pramod Bab, please act on this, keeping in mind the future generations of the student faculty, the staff, the teachers. What is the use of these organizations if they don't know to respect teachers and headmasters and principals and their own students? What it matters? Whether it is of this particular party or that party, whether this organization or another organization. What is wrong is wrong. Please put your foot down and get this issue sorted out as early as possible so that this type of act does not continue further anymore. Devara Guru, thank you very much.